Welcome to this week's video. It's very festive. We're doing holiday cocktails, or really cocktails for any party that you're throwing at your house. You may be wondering who my guests are. Well, I just want you to know that these lovely and amazing folks help me and do a lot of the behind the scenes work for my YouTube videos, for my website, for book promotion, all that good stuff. So I'm in touch with these guys on a daily basis, and I'm like, yo, can you come to my house and we're gonna do a really fun video? And he's a mixologist and he's funny and we love to eat and drink, so here we are. So this is Cliff and Courtney and Joanna, and we're so happy to be able to do a holiday cocktail video for you.
Absolutely. So we're going to do 3 cocktails for you and 3 cocktail outfits, I believe.
3 cocktail outfits.
What do we have on the table before we get going, though? Because I know we have a lot of awesome stuff here.
We do have a lot of awesome stuff. So this is a charcuterie board by Chelsea Lira, who has a company here in town. I'm going to provide a link, but she's also a contestant on one of those cooking shows. And so she's one of 7 to be able to get a franchise. So again, I'll put more information about her in the description portion of the video, but this is a beautiful charcuterie board and I'm so excited for her. This cake, by the way, is my German pound cake that I baked a couple of days ago. For this is my dad's recipe, and I did a video with him about 6 months before he passed away on my YouTube channel. So if you're interested in that, it's there too. So that's what's on the table, along with all of your drinks and glasses.
There's a ton here, and we're gonna make it delicious and alcoholic and good for you to make at home. Okay, so we've got 3 cocktails today. You're gonna be my bar back today, so I'm gonna have you pour and measure, and we have this wonderful set. By the way, all the stuff you could see, mostly Target.
Yeah,
Target's really good for this. You can do it at home. You can like party plan in an hour. So what we're doing, light and bright. It's a light, fun vodka, black currant cocktail. You can kind of drink it all night at the party without getting, you know, second glances. Yeah, Santa face, we'll call it.
Okay.
So we'll start with 1.5 ounces of vodka.
Okay, 1.5 ounces.
We've got Space City, which is a great Houston vodka. If you're interested, that's my recommendation. Perfect, right in there. Then we've got this black currant liqueur called the Creme De Cheese. This is out of France. It's really fun. It kind of gives it the color that we'll see throughout. So it's really nice. That'll be 1/2 ounce.
Okay.
So not much, you know, again, mostly for color, but it's a great taste too. Same exact amount of lemon juice, fresh lemon juice. As Texans, we get it at HEB, you know, and so that's really good. And then we'll kind of just do a dash of cranberry. This is 0.75. I'll kind of just give this again, just a little bit of color there. Nothing too interesting or exciting, but it does help with the red. And then 2 dashes of bitters. So literally just the 1,
2.
Nailed it. Perfect. Good to go. And now the fun part, I'll take this from you, is the shaking. So best technique at home, hold the top and the bottom, and you can graduate to one-handed like Dominique. And you have a light shake. You are good to go.
Shake and bake. And bake.
The Ricky Bobby of Christmas. Yes.
I love it. I love it.
Perfect. So then just hold the top and pour right in. Perfect.
Ooh,
and so
pretty.
It's this awesome red color.
It's beautiful. Perfect for Christmas.
And then we have to, much like everything around the holidays, decorate it. So you will do the mint, just a couple of sprigs of mint throughout.
A couple of sprigs.
And I will just that little top piece. It's not a little around the edge. It's good. Yeah, I mean it's a little flavor, a little taste. Sometimes kind of whisk it around the glass. That's a fun way to go. And then
it's like dead on the water.
It's the dead fish of it. But don't worry, the Prosecco will help. So you can do this in kind of a wine glass. We wanted to do the martini glass for the fun holiday feel. And of course, since you made it, you got to try it. That's the rule.
You make it, you taste it.
Absolutely.
Y'all, this is good. This is really good. It's very fresh. It's very light. This is something I would order.
Sure. And you toss like a fresh cranberry or 2 in there on the stick, you know, if you really want to go fancy with it. But
and it matches our poinsettia.
That's not a bad time.
Not a bad time at all.
And whatever Christmas outfit you're wearing. Yeah, of course.
We need to make some for Courtney and Joanna.
I guess. All right, let's get that going.
Hey, you got yours? What do you think?
I love it.
You love it?
Taste the Prosecco. Perfect. I love the garnish.
It's pretty, right?
Matches Dominic's
And
lips.
the lime.
There you go. See, you gotta color coordinate with makeup. That's what it's all about.
Okay.
Take 2. What are we making now?
We're doing the Merry Margarita, which is the perfect Santa got run over by a reindeer type of drink. Or grandma.
Santa.
Yeah, I know. Starting with 2 tequilas, 1 tequila, 2 tequila.
3 tequila.
Yeah, exactly.
So all the way up here?
All the way twice.
All the way twice. We're gonna get drunk, y'all.
Oh, for that one, it's actually just a little. Oh, that's my fault. Oh, let's try it again. No, it's
again?
yeah. No, you got it.
Okay,
You're good.
okay,
No,
okay.
you're good. You're good. Okay, perfect. So the other side twice. It's okay. They got
Okay.
the markings on the inside, so anyone at home can look as comfortable as we are. Okay, so half. We'll flip it over.
Okay.
Perfect. And we'll do the Aperol. You want to grab that? Yes.
Yeah.
Apologies.
Hey, I'm a girl in control here.
That's right.
Sort of.
For the most part.
For the most part.
Yeah. Little lime juice.
I follow instruction well, is what I'm trying to say.
That's fair.
Okay.
We'll do a little grapefruit juice. We're also trying with Italian soda, just to get a little fizz. Yeah, same. Oh, you're nailing it. No, you're good.
Hey, you know, it's going on
That's
the
working fine. And then
that
last,
first drink is
I know,
really powerful.
agave syrup is the second half.
Okay. Oh, wait.
Oh, there's the top. Okay.
that top.
I thought that's a pro.
Hold on.
You're right. This should be the take.
Always the behind the scene will go to 30 million.
She got it. That's the impressive part. She did get it. I don't know if the camera is getting that, but she got it.
But is my lipstick still on?
Oh, it's perfect.
That's the weirdest part.
So we have to sell the lipstick.
Yeah, we can make it through agave syrup. Yeah, that's how you know it's real.
half?
Yeah, half.
Okay.
That works.
Great.
Okay, so what we're gonna do again, shake it. I'm gonna ask you to do a hard shake this time.
I thought I did a hard
Well, yeah,
shake
but you gotta
last
put your
time.
arms into it this
Oh.
time. Yeah, I know.
Wait.
Don't worry, the recipe calls specifically. The first one's light, second one's hard. You can get it, kind of get it above your shoulder if you really want it. Yeah, that's a good one. That's a good way to go. So this one's gonna be double strained. So I'm gonna have you pour it into here. That's just to get any sediment and anything else like that out. You don't want that
Okay.
in your margarita if you're drinking plenty of these. Right in there.
Pour straight?
Right straight in there.
Okay. Ooh, it's peachy.
It is.
Ooh.
That's the ruby red from the grapefruit juice. It's
Oh.
really nice. And again, Christmassy, which is the ultimate goal around here.
It's very cute.
And again, you're gonna grab your strainer that comes with your cocktail set. Perfect. And if you hold it in place, I will
Yep.
pour.
Ooh, okay. Go for it.
You can flip it either way really at this point because again, we're just trying to get little pieces of it out.
Okay.
Okay, double strained there. And again, we're going with the garnish. I'll have you give me a little bit of rosemary. And this is more on the side, you know.
Well, like how much?
Just like a
It's
little
tree. It's like a Christmas
you can,
tree.
you know, you can put the whole tree in there, really.
That is way too much.
Is there such a thing as too much rosemary?
Wait, do you like pull some of these off?
Yeah,
or what?
well, you could do, well, okay.
What? Show me. I don't know
No,
what I'm
I
doing.
think it's good. I actually think, well, here, if you kind of do the little,
What?
little half, you know,
Okay.
little, now it's in there.
Oh,
Yeah. Now
all
it's,
right.
actually, no, let's go full tree. We're going full tree. We're committing to this drink, whether we like it or not. I'm trying this one. It's good. It's very boozy.
Not
Like
a little
there's,
heavy on rosemary.
It's a little bit of lipstick, but otherwise it's good.
There's a tree in my drink.
Yeah, it's gonna stay there. It's actually my drink now.
Free decorations.
Yeah, huh? Right in the face.
Wow. I think I just got a flush of color.
Oh,
Woo!
To match the drink.
another one, guys.
I like that one better. So I'm at 7. I gave that an 8 Santa. I'm gonna give this a 7.
That's fair. That's fair. If
Right?
you really like tequila, this is your drink. If you're-
I'm a vodka person.
yeah, so that's that drink.
why.
Yeah, that'll do it.
Okay.
Courtney's getting it.
Moving it down.
That guy's huh?
Okay, are you ready for round 2 with your trees? The margaritas with the Christmas trees?
With the Christmas tree.
Cheers.
Cheers.
She's gonna drink her tree.
Sorry, yeah. This is not so okay.
What do we think?
Okay. Love this one. I'm a tequila girl. Are you a tequila girl? Martini. Yeah. But it's good.
How many Santas?
8 Santas. 8 out of 10. Absolutely. 8.5.
Ooh, 8.5. Have some more. The Santas keep increasing.
So, last cocktail. It's the end of the night. You
Right.
want everyone subtly out of your house. So we're gonna go kind of a warm cider-based cocktail. So we mulled the cider already. You can kind of see it in there. But reality being, you toss a little bit of store-bought apple cider in, cinnamon sticks, cloves, spices, honey. You know, have some fun with it.
Cool.
And probably for about 10 minutes on simmer and throw it in there.
Right.
Then we've got a shot and a half. I've got Garrison Brothers whiskey. This is an awesome whiskey out of High Country.
That's going all the way up to the top.
That's all the way to the top.
All the way to the
And
top.
actually, we'll do 2 mugs so you and
Sure.
I can share this one.
Like that?
Yep, perfect.
Okay.
We've got that.
Okay.
And then we've got the half shot of apple brandy. This is just for the lovely apple taste. That goes along with the apple cider with,
How much of this?
that'll be about a ½ ounce. So, yep, halfway
Half?
through there, and I think we'll be good there.
Okay.
And the last piece is a cinnamon simple syrup. So the idea being, Guy Fieri's got a wonderful. Oh, you're doing
That's a little strong on that one.
We'll have that one.
Okay.
The Guy Fieri has this awesome recipe online. So it's cinnamon sticks, it's water, it's sugar, and this you can kind of just drizzle over both of them. It doesn't have to be an exact measurement.
About how much? Like that?
Yeah, that's good.
All right. A drizzle.
Perfect. And then you stir. We'll just grab the spoon off of the target set and we'll be good there.
Opa.
Opa, indeed.
Okay.
And then, of course, the fun part, we have the
Whipped cream.
Yeah, that'll be.
Does it go to the top?
Yeah, no, you got to do it if you want the top.
Wait,
Yes,
wait,
absolutely. Okay, yeah. This lipstick can withstand anything. It really can.
Totally. That's fabulous.
Yeah, it's not on any of it.
Okay. I love this.
That's awesome. This is fun. And this is a great way
Do you mix it or what do you do?
Well, after you stir whipped
Sorry.
cream, no, you're good.
Hold
This
on.
is
Wait,
hanging
it's gotta
off
be
the
nice.
top. Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay.
You enjoy the whipped cream and it'll
Right.
stir itself. And cheers.
Cheers.
Do I have any on my nose?
Okay, here we go. You ready, gals?
Ready.
Ready. Oh wait, they're still on the other two. Tell us what you think.
All right. I got a mouthful of whipped cream.
Well, hold up.
Oh. Okay. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah. Okay. Tell us what you think.
Much better.
Better?
Movie nights.
Movie nights.
And you
Sitting by the
enjoy-
fire.
Yeah.
Yes, sitting by the fire, it's plenty.
If you enjoy dark liquor, this is the one for you. Not the one for me.
How many Santas?
I'll say 6 out of 10.
Ooh.
7. I'll still. Go ahead, you want it?
I'd say this.
Wrong. That's how you know the drinks are strong, ladies and gentlemen.
I was way too much.
Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas!
Cheers, y'all. Merry Christmas, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year. You got some wonderful drink recipes, all of which are listed in the description portion of this video to be able to figure out, and you even have a video to reference. So hope you enjoyed. This was fun. I need some food.
Yeah, well, we'll after. This is my favorite one, I think.
I think 10
Santas!
It's me. Me. Cheers. Hello.
Happy New Year!
It's not New Year yet, but okay. Here's a drink.
Oh my God, thank you!
Yes. Hello, cheers.
Cheers!
Cheers. Cheers.
Yeah, and I hear you're very funny.
Come on in.
Should be my face.
Come in. Okay, come in.
So, how was your video today?
It was fun.
Oh, it's not over yet. I see.
No.
Oh,
right.
right. So, is it Merry Christmas or is it Happy
Well,
New
Christmas
Year?
cocktails, New
Yeah.
Year's cocktails, life of the party and cocktails for all occasions.
I think that's great.
Yeah, me too.
I am all for that.
Yeah.
So, I wish you all happy, merry, everything.
Thing.
Right.